Alright, let me share a product with you. It's kind of cool. I think a lot of people like it. This is from my friends at Test Studios. You know, I get a lot of people asking me about lighting inside the car, and especially with the new Highland Model 3s, where they have the dash, and the Cybertruck has that dash, the light and everything in there. And, you know, there's people offer a kit for lighting inside the car. Well, my friends at Test Studio, oh, ready? You probably didn't hear it, but I heard it. Anyway, my friends at Test Studio sent this out, and what it is, it goes into where your phone charges, and it's got a couple cool options for you. Right here is a AirPod holder / charger, and it sits in there pretty secure because it would be angled like this inside where the charger is. But what's really cool about this is there's really no hard way. There's no hard install on this. You just put it in place, and then the wireless charger on the passenger side brings power to this, which brings power to this, which has lighting options where there's a cool lighting effect here. Let me just show you how easy it is to install. So this is where your phone charger is. You take this, wedge it up high, and clip it down. And it is fully installed already. So what's really cool is you can have a clock here. You can, now I haven't touched any of this yet, so these are in Chinese. So you can obviously put your AirPods there, and it's going to charge there. You can put your phone right over here. It's going to charge right there. And you have controls here for the different light ups. And I'm going to go through those with you here in a second, once I learn them. All right, so after you're playing with this just for a quick little bit, there's actually some pretty cool features that a lot of people might like. Obviously a clock, a large clock. When you do have a clock up here, it's kind of small. Some people like to see a large clock on a display, plus charging your device. So if you want to swipe over from the left, you can change the colors that you want. You can pick an individual color. You can actually have whatever color you like. The main colors, maybe the color of your car, or maybe you wrapped it a different color, so you can pick a different color. You can swipe over, and this is where you can set up the different lighting features. So you can have it breathe, you can have it to your voice, so it'll be set to your voice, which might be kind of cool, might be distracting, I don't know. You can have it roll different colors or just light. This is where you would swipe over from Chinese to English. And again, you can pick a color. I've picked a color close to the color of the outside of the car. And now you have the date and the time, which is really nice. You can swipe over and it gives you a brief outline of what everything you've selected. And then you can adjust the color or the sound controls. And this button turns it on. So you can see I'm talking right now, and it's actually affecting, almost like Kit, Knight Rider, is listening to me. Michael. And it's taking up the ambient voice or the ambient noise around the car. So probably driving, you're going to have a higher voice or a higher noise up here because there's going to be road noise. And you can adjust that by swiping down here and getting the different controls so it's not as loud. Or this is kind of cool. So when you say, hey Tesla. Well, now it's picking up the birds chirping out back, so we can actually go even lower. Hey Tesla. That's kind of cool. So you can, if you want to talk to your car and have a way of it, I don't know, kind of like Knight Rider-ish. It's, you know, some people aren't going to like that, but, you know, that's why there's different options on this. And we can swipe back over to them. You can have it roll. And this is going to roll the different colors of the rainbow. You know, this is June. Or you can have one solid color and you can change those colors. Breathe? I don't know what breathe is. Oh, so it's going to pulse. That's what breathe is. I don't know if you can change. Oh, I guess you can change that as far as how fast it is on the different, how sensitive it is by scrolling through there. But you can have voice, and all you have to do is hit this button to turn it off. I think you have to hold it. Yep, yeah, hold it down. And it's been charging my AirPods the whole entire time, which is really cool. But what's really nice is having a clock right here. And this is simple install. It's not very expensive. If you're looking for something in your car that can charge your phone, you know, obviously one phone can't charge, or obviously both phones can't charge, but most of the time you're in the car by yourself. You're not going to have a passenger That's what I've noticed anyway. So you're going to have this empty on this side, and on a trip you just pull this off and you can charge another phone, or if your phone's already charged, charge someone else's, and then you still have the clock. It's a really nice feature to have, and you may like the lighting features. If I can hit the button. Oh, there we go. That's right. It wasn't talking. It didn't pick me up. So you may like the lighting features right here. Charging your phone. You can set those settings up how you like them. Enjoy a really cool, simple product at a great price. Use my link down below and use code I1Tesla to save a bunch of money. I want to thank Test Studios for sending this out for review, and order yours today. This matches this perfectly. Even if you have it off. Even if you have the whole thing off, it matches perfectly. That's really nice. Really thought out product. As always, stay awesome. Stay product. That was crazy. As always, stay awesome. Stay positive. Check out this product, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.